Hey, this is Kevin Keller with Paste Magazine, alongside the Harry Potter Scavenger Hunt designer and Paste president, Tim Regan-Porter. Tim, thanks for being here. What is this exactly, anyhow?
Well, this is a little scavenger hunt on our website that we launched this week with the release of the 6th film. We're giving away some cool prizes, as you can see there: Kindle, Flip HD, camcorder, iTunes gift cards, and some Paste subscriptions, a T-shirt, things like that. And then so it's a flash game. You invoke it, you go around the site, you find answers, and you'll see your browser do things you've not seen it do before.
Now, it looks like we're on the rules page right now, and this kind of goes over the whole game, is that right?
Right. Tells you basic gameplay, which there's a lot to it on the surface, but it's actually fairly straightforward once you play. There are some tricky clues that you have to guess, but it's pretty straightforward.
Now, since this is a popular page, it seems like we should be able to find that on most read if you're just coming to the site on the left-hand side of our web page.
Right.
And it looks like here it's showing an example of hidden stuff, huh?
Right. So you just highlight it with your cursor and it will show up.
Okay.
That's a basic browser trick, nothing new to this game. So the game pops up when you hit Control-V, which is the invoking the game. So we've just told you what to do. You don't have to know that clue.
Control-V, which is the shortcut for paste, which makes sense.
Right. So it brings up this little window where you can cast spells, you can close it, you can get back to this page with that question mark, or you can click on the map, which will basically tell you how to get around the game.
Okay.
And by the way, the concept was mine, but we had a great actual designer doing the game as well as the great programmers working with him. So props to our IT team. So here the map comes up, but you can't see anything, so you've got to reveal its secrets. Well, Harry Potter fans know the way you get a Marauders map to come up is you say, "I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good."
And you actually typed that in with your keyboard,
right.
Then, is that right?
You don't have to put your cursor, which is now a wand, you don't have to put that anywhere as long as it's over the page generally, and start typing.
Okay, and now we're to the map, is that right?
That is correct. So there are going to be 5 levels. We'll do 1 level a day on weekdays. So we're on level 2 on Friday, the 17th. So we're going to sign in quickly so we don't lose our progress and we keep our points, which you'll notice you got points just for typing that into the map. You can use your Paste login, your Paste account, or you can use Twitter.
Okay, so if you've already got the Twitter account, you can do that. If you've already got the Paste account, you can do that.
Or you can create a Paste account.
Right.
And there will be shortly a way to put your Twitter ID if you've already got a Paste account, because there are reasons you'll want to use Twitter as well.
Okay.
So as soon as you come back from Twitter or other login, the game pops up immediately because you had already invoked it. And so now we're going to go to the map and look at our first task again after we logged in. So what subject did Emma Watson choose for her A-levels? So let's get out of the map and let's see. So we're going to go to the home page because a lot of the pages you're looking for will come off the home page. Not all of them by any stretch, but a lot of them. Some of them might be major categories. You got news, features, reviews, blogs, calendar, AV, your specialty.
And so now it's just a matter of finding that information somewhere on the web page then.
That is correct. Obviously, search can be a great help, and we've got a search bar we'll show you in a minute. A lot of them will come from most popular, although there are 25 tasks, there's only 10 most popular, so that's not going to be nearly all of them.
Right. So if you're getting a late start in particular, it's probably a good idea to use that search function that we just pointed to on the right side of the screen.
Right. And while the game is up, you can't use it because the text box won't work through that flash. To close the game by either hitting Control-V or the X, type it in, Emma A-levels, hey, it's the first result.
Okay.
So we go there. When we get there, the game won't be up because we exited it, so just hit Control-V again.
And it'll pull it right back up again, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
So now we just have to scan the page for the answer. So we're looking for Emma A-levels, and once you find the answer, just take your cursor, your wand, and hover over the answer, and it will light up, and then all you have to do is click it.
Wow. So that's clearly it in the bright white, huh?
Yep. And so once you do that, you get some galleons, which are points towards the giveaways, as well as bragging rights. And now we can move on to our second task.
Okay.
Which is obviously the one highlighted in red, and we've got a new clue over on the right. So we'll look up who is number 11. Should be easy. I mean, you probably know this answer without looking it up. Number 11 on a top 10 list. of rock and roll documentaries.
Oh yeah, sure. I guess that would have to be. Oh, and why am I blanking?
Oh no.
Oh
Kevin.
no, I can do it. I can do it.
Oh,
Spinal Tap.
sad,
This is
sad,
Spinal
sad.
Tap.
Yes, that is correct.
Sorry.
So in addition to going through these tasks,
Mhm.
we'll get to a task where you get spells, which we'll show you on another video. You'll find the answer, something will happen, and you'll have to get a spell. Oh, wait a minute. So we've got a little thanks for following us on Twitter. So because we gave it our Twitter ID, it knows that it's going to give us points. It'll also give us points for tweeting about the game.
Okay, and the way you tweet about the game is with one of those signature hash marks and a particular code, is that right?
Hash mark Potter game.
Okay, and
which is what
hash
we're
being
doing
the
now.
same thing as
Number sign.
Okay.
So, but as I was saying, in addition to all of those, you'll get spells. So you'll click the answer, something will happen. Maybe the page will go black, and you have to light up your wand to see some things. So you have to figure out what the Harry Potter spell is. If you're not a Harry Potter expert, then follow us on Twitter, read our hints, follow the hash mark. Maybe someone on Twitter will help you. We'll make it easier as the game goes along for old clues while the game gets harder itself.
Gotcha.
But you also get points for just reading paste. You don't have to be on one of the game pages. Just every so often you'll get a random bonus item, which could be, in game speak, a love potion or Felix Felicis or something. And you get points for that. You also get prizes. So you could win a pay subscription. You could win a $100 iTunes gift card. Actually, I think it's a $50 iTunes gift card. Things like that. So the idea of the game is just to encourage you to explore the site.